Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and today we're going to be fixing chicken. Keywest chicken, our version of it anyway. So let's get started. You'll need honey, you'll need garlic, lime juice, and soy sauce, and whatever chicken you like. We're going to be using chicken thighs today. Chicken's getting a little bit pricey now, folks. It has been for a little bit, but it just keeps it going up. We happened to catch this on sale. We got this pack for $11.03. It's a big pack, so we figured we'd get a couple meals out of it. So let's get started. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be putting 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of honey, a tablespoon of oil. Don't have the oil up here, forgot to put that up here. A 1/4 cup of lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of garlic, chopped garlic. And we'll let it marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. And then we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven. You can grill this, you can fry it on the stove top. But for today, we're Carolyn is canning beans. What we'll do, we'll just bake it in the oven. Let's get started. Alrighty folks, the garlic we got is just about out, so what I'm going to do is just pour our 1/4 cup of lime juice down in the garlic, and then we'll just pour that whole can out. And we'll throw this away. Chuck, you want the bottle?
No.
Oh, or the jar, I should say. Okay, now. 3 tablespoons soy sauce. 2, 3. A tablespoon of vegetable oil. Alright. Now 3 tablespoons of honey. 1. 2. Now we're going to let this sit, the chicken sit in this for, like I said, 30 minutes to an hour. We're going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 400 degrees. And I'm thinking around 35 minutes. So we'll check the temperature and see. Alright, set this down to sink. Now folks, what I'm going to do, that's not a whole lot, and I've got this big pack of chicken. I'm going to double it up. So I'll hurry and do that real quick, and then we'll get our chicken added in there. Alright. Get this mixed up good here. Now this chicken will be good on the grill. Like I said, you can fry it on top of the stove. But what we're going to do, we're going to bake it. Alright, we'll put our chicken down in the bag. And then pour the marinade down in there. Go from there. Alright, we got it down in the bag here now. All around here good. Now what I'm going to do, I'll stick this in the refrigerator like this for about 20 minutes, and then I'll take it and flip it over, and then we'll start baking. See you shortly. Alright, just going to lay the chicken out here. Alrighty, now we're gonna put the chicken in the oven. We'll check it after about 35 minutes. We'll see what it looks like. We're gonna try on some of the chicken, folks. Gonna take a little bit of the honey. Just a little bit. Don't want to waste it in case it don't turn out. We'll take a little bit of the lime juice. Pour in there. And then we're going to mix the two together, and then I'm going to put that on some of the chicken. See how it does. Get me a brush. Mix this up here. And then we'll paint this on a couple pieces of chicken just to see. This is a test. Alrighty, well remember it's on the left side here, folks. We'll do half of them. Put that back in, we'll coat it one more time. Alrighty, folks, there it is. We'll let you know here in just a little bit how it tastes. It looks good. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. Let your friends know about us. And you all have a great day. Bye.